Hey guys, welcome to my screen once more. Today we're going to be doing a breakdown of GBPUSD. We're going to see what I think about it for the coming future. So let's get into it. Okay, before everything, please do consider subscribing, liking the video, and share comments to add additional value to the videos. So you already know the drill. We are on the monthly time frame. So okay, let's see how the direction in which the market is pointing. So I think we have this one. If you want to dig far back, we have this one, this trend line, saying the market is going down, and we have this recent one still pointing to the downside. You want to do this, still showing to the downside. So it's making a sequence of low consolidation, low consolidation, low. We are expecting from the manner in which it's dropping, we're expecting something like it has to calm down. All right, so the overall flow of the market is down. So let's go to on the monthly. Let's go to the weekly. The weekly, like I always tell you, and to come to the most recent price action. And to come to the most recent price action, okay? So for the most recent price action, I'm just going to draw. We already know it's going down, so I'm just going to draw. And if you haven't watched my Euro USD video yet, you're going to notice it's somehow similar to this. Somehow similar. If you watch it, you understand what I mean. So I'm just going to go to the most recent price action I can see and try to analyze it from there. And the most recent will be from here. I'll draw a trend line from here down to here, and somehow it fits perfectly. That's a good sign. So you have this trend line running from here to here. Everything is pointing down. Good. So next thing I want to do is to investigate the Fibonacci, what Fibonacci tells us. So the Fibonacci tells us, again, from swing high to swing low or downtrend. Well, this is what Fibonacci tells us. If I adjust it to somewhere about here, it's inside perfectly. So it actually depends on you. But generally, I like to draw my Fibonacci up to the week. So it seems to be holding if it is here, but if it's here, it's a little bit above, but you can see it's trading. It has gone past it and then it has come back to trade within our Fibonacci range. So we are good to go for with respect to Fibonacci. So with respect to Fibonacci again, our next level target for the D will be this one. Like I say, A, B, C. Next level target is D. We're in an attempt where we don't want to trade any further. At least we should anticipate it to get to this point, at least. So from there now, we know, okay, you have monthly pointing down, you have weekly pointing down, we have a potential level to where the market will be heading to. But there are still some hiccups. So we are a little bit confident about the direction of the market. But like I said again, if this market has to get here and we are in a downtrend, at least if he wants to tell us he wants to start going back the other way, he has to get here before he has to get at least here before rejecting. So we know we have to get here first. With that being said, there are some hiccups. The market trades from zones to zone. So in this case, the market was in this zone. So with the perspective that we are trading from zone to zone, we are supposed to leave from this zone to this zone up here. Well, we have this trend line stopping it. We have Fibonacci stopping it. And we have this level here, this minor level. It's just because I tried to reset my screen to do the analysis all back again. But from the onset, it was there, like this blue. It was a hiccup point like this. I can see that the market has quite respected in the past, and it seems to be respecting it so far. So we are good to go. So for us to get here, at least we have to break this point. So if we have to trade this, we are first of all going to look to this point. Then after we have broken this, then we are going to look at going down the way to this point. So that being said, let's go now to the 1 hour. For the 1 hour, not the 1 hour, I beg, sorry about that. To the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I have this zone. I have this zone right about here. So what the market did was, and I actually called this on my Telegram channel when we're right about this candle here. I said if the market can sustain below this green bar, below this yellow bar, our next level target is here. So for this one now, I saw that the market was it actually failed and went back up. So once it is sustained above this asset, if you can't break this, so we are going to come and test this level. But if we sustain below it, we should wait for a break of this yellow bar, and we should anticipate a drop all the way to this point here, at least. So with the current state of affairs, we have respected this. So the next thing we have to do is to wait for this level to be broken back, or the market to trade once again below this point. Then we can start looking for potential entries. So I repeat again, once the market trades back below this yellow bar, I'll look for potential entries to this. Look for potential entries as such. Let's just put here 60 pips. To this point, then when we get to this point here, I'm going to back 50% of my profits. Back 50% of my profit, move my trade to my stop loss to break even, then let the remaining 50 pips run. So you can see the market had before even breaking to this point, the market was in this range here, right about here. That's why for us to get to this point down here, we are going to have to break this level. Once we break this level, there's no I don't think, maybe we can have minor hiccups here, but these are just going to give us entry possibilities, I think so. But our overall target will be here once we break this yellow bar. If we break this yellow bar, obviously we will broken below this our fixed point, our key level. But for the midterm, our trade we should be anticipating a trade from these two down here, which is around 300 pips. So I'm just going to say wait for the market to break this yellow bar. Once we have broken this yellow bar, we are good to go. Once you are trading against, as long as you are trading above it, I won't be interested in the trade. So that's my take on this pair. Thank you for watching. Please do consider liking and subscribing to the channel. You can leave a comment down below. I'm going to read them. I don't know, I don't want to think my trading channel is just for traders to come and meet up, and my Telegram channel is just for traders to come and meet up and discuss ideas. I don't know if I should drop it in the description box below, so you guys should, what do you think about that? If that would be a great idea, please kindly let me know in the comment section so I can add my Telegram channel link over down here. Okay, thank you very much.